Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning everyone, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to make aloo matar. So as you can see, I have a little bit of oil, about 1 teaspoon, and to that I have a little bit of cumin seed roasted, and I'm going to put 1 onion to that and roast it. So once I roast this, then I'm going to see, but I'll show you what I will add after that. I'll add potatoes, green peas, and carrots. So these green peas are canned green peas. You can use frozen as well. So let me just saute the onion. Now you can add to this ginger garlic, but I'm making very simple basic one early in the morning, so I'm just going to do onion. So as you can see, my onions are really roasted, and to that I am going to add this very colorful sweet peas, carrots, and some potatoes. And then I might add a little sprinkle of water like teaspoon. And these are the spices: the salt, turmeric, little bit of vegetable masala, little bit of garam masala. Okay? So just go ahead and do this. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of water and cover it and cook it. Now I have to add water because I want my potatoes to be soft, and if I don't add it, it might get burned. So I'll do a little bit of water, and I'll show you in 10-15 minutes. Okay, so I have added about half cup of water. So I have my onions sauteed and my green peas, carrots, and potatoes, and a half cup of water, and I added some spices: salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and a vegetable masala powder. I'm going to cover this one and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until everything is soft and cooked. So here is my carrot, peas, and potatoes. So this is for you. Aloo and matar sabji. I have added a little bit of gajar, which is carrot, and this tastes awesome. So this is your simple vegetarian vegan meal. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.